Alright guys, this is my review on the Mossberg m590 shotgun, airsoft shotgun. So I'll say the bad things about this gun, and I'll say the good things. The bad things about this gun is it curves a lot. Like in just mild winds, if you use like 5-gram BBs, it's not very good. I would suggest a 20 for this specific gun. No lower, no higher. If there's higher, I don't know. The other bad thing is it has no sights whatsoever. It just has the attachments rail, but that's pretty handy because you could buy attachments for it, hook up laser sights, anything you want. The other bad thing is if you did have a clip, which I don't. I got this from a friend, but it was for free. I decided to take it. But if you do have a clip, it's about this tall. The last 5 bullets you have in it, you have to turn upside down, cock it, shoot upright or downright, whatever you choose. But there you go. Now the good things about this gun is it has a detachable rail. It has safety. Can shoot pretty far at a distance about 320 FPS. It shoot pretty hard, I guess. Not enough to like really sting you, but I mean, it could do some damage, I guess. So here's just a look at the gun. Hollow handle. Your hop. Here's your shot. Your orange tip. Your attachments rail. Safety. Things like that. Alright guys, stay tuned for my other videos. Subscribe, comment, things like that. Peace.